In 1944, an entire generation of men stormed the beaches of Normandy, fueled not by creatine or pre-workout stimulants, but by a government ration that cost 30 cents a day. They possessed a functional, rugged vitality that seems impossible today, despite having no access to the premium proteins and expensive supplements that line our pharmacy shelves. Their secret was not in the prime cuts of steak they couldn't afford, but in the humble, nutrient-dense survival foods that modern society has thrown into the trash bin of history. And now, cutting-edge nutritional science confirms that these forgotten wartime staples actually trigger muscle protein synthesis more effectively than the processed isolates we use today. Before we begin, tell us in the comments if you remember any specific meals from your parents' or grandparents' table that simply don't exist anymore. We read every response to preserve these memories. Now, let's go back in time to rebuild your strength, starting with number 4. Number 4. The super steak, beef heart. During the height of rationing, when the prime cuts of beef were shipped overseas to the front lines, families at home were left with what the butchers called variety meats. While modern shoppers turned their noses up at these cuts, the greatest generation understood that the heart was not just an organ, but a dense, dark red muscle that provided more energy than a rabbi ever could. They ground it into their burgers and meatloaves to stretch their dollars, unknowingly fortifying their bodies with the most potent source of bioenergetic fuel found in nature. The biological reality is that your heart is the hardest working muscle in your body, never resting for a single second of your life. Because of this relentless demand, heart tissue is packed with a unique compound called coenzyme Q10 or coenzyme Q10 at concentrations far higher than any other food source. Seniors today often suffer from a condition known as mitochondrial dysfunction, where the tiny power plants inside your cells lose their ability to generate energy efficiently. This is the primary driver of that heavy, dragging fatigue that makes your limbs feel like lead weights by the early afternoon. When you consume beef heart, you are essentially eating the raw materials your own mitochondria need to recharge. Research published in the journal Mitochondrion in 2018 analyzed the impact of coenzyme Q10 on sarcopenia and found that restoring levels of this cofactor significantly improved cellular energy production and muscle function in aging tissue. The study highlighted that older adults with higher coenzyme Q10 levels maintained better grip strength and physical performance than those with deficiencies. But the benefits go beyond just energy. Beef heart is also loaded with taurine and zinc, two critical nutrients that support cardiac rhythm and muscle contractility. Most seniors are drastically deficient in taurine because their bodies produce less of it with age, and plant-based diets provide almost none. By reintegrating this meat into your diet, you are directly addressing the cellular root of frailty. To use this effectively, you do not need to eat it like a steak if the texture bothers you. Ask your butcher to grind it with a standard chuck roast in a 50-50 ratio. The rich, savory flavor of the heart actually enhances the taste of burgers or chili, making it indistinguishable from regular beef. This simple swap turns a standard meal into a mitochondrial transfusion. Before we continue, smash that like button and subscribe right now. Don't miss the life-changing tips still ahead. Number 3. The Ocean Vet, canned jack mackerel. In the ration kits of soldiers and the pantries of working-class families, there sat a tall, unassuming tin that was often the only source of protein for the week. It wasn't the premium tuna that we see today, but jack mackerel, a wild-caught fish that was abundant, cheap, and critical for keeping the troops sharp and strong. They ate it because it was available, but biologically, they were consuming a specific type of fat that protected their muscles from wasting away under extreme stress. Today, we know that seniors face a silent enemy called anabolic resistance. This is a physiological state where your muscle cells become deaf to the signals of protein. You can eat chicken breast all day long, but if your cell membranes are rigid and inflamed, the amino acids simply float in your bloodstream without being used to build tissue. Jack mackerel is the solution because it delivers a massive dose of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which integrate into your cell membranes and restore their fluidity. A landmark study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated this mechanism clearly. Researchers found that when older adults supplemented with these specific omega-3 fatty acids, their muscle protein synthesis response to food increased significantly. The study showed that the omega-3s effectively flipped the switch back on, allowing the seniors' bodies to build muscle from protein just as they did when they were younger. But jack mackerel has an advantage over the tuna you likely have in your cupboard right now. Because it is a smaller, shorter-lived fish, it does not accumulate the high levels of mercury found in larger predatory fish like tuna. This means you can eat it more frequently without the risk of heavy metal toxicity that can damage the nervous system. Furthermore, this humble fish is one of the few natural food sources rich in vitamin D. Vitamin D is not just for bones. It is essential for the function of type 2 muscle fibers. These are the fast-twitch fibers responsible for your ability to catch yourself when you trip. As you age, these fibers atrophy first, leading to falls and fractures. The combination of high-quality protein, omega-3s, and vitamin D in a single tin makes this a superior muscle-protecting food. You can prepare it exactly as you would tuna salad, mixing it with a little olive oil and lemon juice. Or, for a warm meal, mix it into pasta sauces where the strong flavor mellows into a rich, savory background. Aim for 2 servings a week to keep your muscle cells sensitive and responsive. Now get ready, because number 2 is the metabolic defender that fights the fat which destroys muscle. Number 2. The victory bean, dried navy beans. Long before protein powders existed, the navy bean was the backbone of the baked bean ration that sustained everyone from factory workers to infantrymen. It was the ultimate slow-burning fuel that allowed men and women to work 12-hour shifts without crashing. While we have replaced this staple with quick-cooking rice and instant potatoes, we have lost the most powerful metabolic defense against age-related muscle loss. The danger for seniors is not just losing muscle, but replacing it with visceral fat. This is the deep belly fat that wraps around your organs and acts like a toxic gland, pumping out inflammatory cytokines that actively dissolve muscle tissue. It creates a vicious cycle where inflammation causes muscle loss, which lowers your metabolism, which causes more fat gain. The dried navy bean is the weapon to break this cycle because of its unique soluble fiber profile. When you eat these beans, the fiber travels undigested to your lower colon, where it feeds beneficial bacteria. These bacteria ferment the fiber and produce short-chain fatty acids, specifically one called butyrate. Butyrate is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that enters your bloodstream and calms the systemic inflammation driving muscle loss. Research from the Wake Forest School of Medicine followed participants over 5 years and found a direct correlation between soluble fiber intake and the reduction of visceral fat. The study revealed that for every 10-gram increase in soluble fiber, the accumulation of dangerous belly fat was reduced by nearly 4%. By reducing this inflammatory fat, you stop the chemical attack on your muscle tissue. Additionally, navy beans provide a steady, blunted glucose release. Unlike the insulin spikes from white bread or mashed potatoes, which trigger fat storage in older metabolisms, beans provide a stable energy arc. This insulin control is critical because high insulin levels in seniors are often linked to greater fat mass and less lean tissue. To get these benefits, you must use the dried version, not the sugary canned baked beans loaded with syrup. Soak them overnight to improve digestibility and reduce cooking time. Simmer them with aromatics like onion, garlic, and bay leaf until they are tender and creamy. Add a cup of these cooked beans to your soups or stews 3 times a week. This simple addition acts as an internal shield, protecting your lean mass from the corrosive effects of inflammation. But as powerful as beans are, number 1 is the concentrated essence of growth itself. Number 1. The original shake, dried skim milk powder. In the darkest days of the war, when fresh milk was impossible to transport to the troops or to starving populations in Europe, the government sent non-fat dry milk powder. It looked like dust, but it was actually a nutritional fortress that had been stripped of water and fat, leaving behind pure, concentrated protein and minerals. Today, seniors spend fortunes on whey protein tubs, not realizing that the original shake is sitting in the baking aisle for a fraction of the price. The magic of skim milk powder lies in its protein composition, which is approximately 80% casein and 20% whey. This specific ratio is the holy grail for aging muscles, especially when consumed at a specific time of day. Casein is a unique protein that clots in the acidic environment of your stomach. Because of this clotting effect, it breaks down incredibly slowly, releasing a steady drip of amino acids into your bloodstream over a period of 6 to 7 hours. This is critical for seniors because of the catabolic window of sleep. When you sleep, you are fasting, and your body naturally breaks down muscle tissue to maintain blood sugar levels. For a younger person, this is negligible, but for a senior, this nightly breakdown is a major contributor to sarcopenia. A study published in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise investigated this exact mechanism. Researchers found that consuming casein protein immediately before sleep significantly increased muscle protein synthesis rates throughout the night. The study proved that the amino acids from the casein were successfully incorporated into muscle tissue while the subject slept, effectively turning a catabolic period into an anabolic one. Unlike liquid milk, which is mostly water, the powder allows you to get a high dose of this protein without filling your bladder and causing nighttime bathroom trips. It is also a powerhouse of calcium, which is required for the actual contraction of muscle fibers. Without adequate calcium, your muscles cannot fire strongly, leading to weakness regardless of your muscle size. The strategy is simple and effective. Mix a quarter cup of dried skim milk powder into a small amount of water, oatmeal, or a smoothie about 30 minutes before bed. This provides you with a concentrated hit of slow-release protein that guards your muscles while you rest. You can also fortify your soups and casseroles by stirring the powder in during cooking, instantly boosting the protein content of any meal without altering the flavor. This is the most cost-effective way to ensure your body has the building blocks it needs, exactly when it needs them most. You do not need to rely on expensive solutions to solve biological problems. The human body is resilient, and it recognizes the dense, complex nutrition found in real food far better than it recognizes synthetic isolates. By looking back at the strategies that sustained a generation through the hardest of times, we can find the keys to vitality in our own later years. These foods, beef heart, mackerel, navy beans, and milk powder, are not just calories, they are functional tools that repair your metabolism, reduce inflammation, and fuel your mitochondria. They worked in 1943, and they work even better today because we now understand the science behind them. Start with one of these changes this week. Maybe it is the milk powder before bed, or maybe it is swapping a tuna sandwich for mackerel. Pay attention to how your energy stabilizes and how your strength feels during your daily activities. Which of these ration foods are you willing to bring back into your kitchen? Do you believe that the old ways of eating were superior to our modern diet? Share your thoughts and your plans in the comments below. We love learning from you. Thanks for watching.